Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel Rider Nada Motor Diaries. Today is day 7 and we would be exploring Coorg. Got up in the cold morning as we were going to stay in Coorg today. As well, we booked a hotel through Oyo, which was hardly 4 kilometers from where we were staying last night. So we freshened up and they provided breakfast as complimentary, after which we loaded our bikes and went to the hotel where we booked a new room for the day. The check-in time was 11 a.m. but we went before that. But by then the double occupancy room was not vacated, so we suggested them to keep our luggages at the reception, and once the room is vacant, put our luggages into the room, and meanwhile we will go to explore Coorg. But the person at the reception said no need to keep the luggages here. I will upgrade your room at the same cost. And he gave us a deluxe room with two king size beds in it. The rooms we got was so good. So the plan was to visit Abbey Falls, Raja Seat, and a coffee plantation tour. At the hotel they displayed a hoarding of coffee plantation, so I inquired that where can we get to see coffee plantation. They said it is some 17 kilometers from here and it belongs to the same owner of this hotel. So I asked them what is the cost of coffee plantation tour. He said it's complimentary for those who had taken room here. Also boating is complimentary there. They also provide barbecue but we have to pay them, and they also have rooms inside the coffee estate. He said he will inform the concerned person there about our arrival so they can give us a detailed tour. So we said we will go there post lunch. We first went to visit Abbey Falls, which was 6 kilometers from the hotel. We had to take a ticket, park our bikes, and walk through the steps for around 5 minutes to reach the fall. This fall had nice amount of water. The whole scene was good, except for the garbage which visitors throw in the open. We cannot go near the falls as they have built a stage with railing around it. Came back to our bike, had some coconut water, and left for Raja Seat. This place has a very nominal ticket and it had been maintained very well. They say that kings used to sit here, which gives a view of entire village. So there was nothing much to see here. Clicked few pics. Went back to a hotel and had lunch, then left for the plantation tour. After riding for few kilometers, we got two route options. One was through the main road, which was closer, and other was through the coffee estates. So we chose the latter. It was only 3 kilometers more, but it was fun to ride through the coffee plantations. The roads were rough, and without noticing it, I increased my speed. But I cannot apply the brakes as the bike would skid. I thought I'm going to crash now, but luckily survived, and still wonder how did the speed increase that much. We reached our destination, but there were two gates. One was shut, so we went inside the second gate, but it was someone else's home. So we opened the gate, went inside 200 to 300 meters, where there were rooms and the caretaker. She took us to a brief tour, and it lasted for more than an hour, explaining everything about coffee plantation and coffee beans and its process. There were betel nut trees, pepper plantation as well. We then went for boating for some time. So we were done with the plantation tour, and we had some coffee and reached hotel by 6 p.m. I had some snacks there and went to our room. Took rest and came down for dinner and went inside the market area where we found KFC kind of restaurant. So for a change we had some fried chicken and burgers. Had a small walk around the area, then went back to the room. Thank you for watching my vlog. Meeting you in the next vlog the next day. Till then, it's a bye bye from Rider Nadar. Let's ride.